Welcome back guys to our Android programming tutorial series on Toolbar. This is Annie from Smartherd. In the previous video we had inflated the contextual menu into our application, but there was an issue that this contextual menu is not overlapping the existing toolbar. So what do we need to do for that? Now let us rectify this error by moving to styles.xml file and including few codes. In the parent theme of our application, we need to define an item. That item is window action mode overlay. And let us define it as true. We don't need the Android because we have the parent theme as theme.appcompat.lite.noActionBar. After making the window action mode overlay true, let us check what changes it has made in the contextual menu inflation in our application. Here is our application. Click on the contextual menu button, then on the new button, and here it is. The window action mode overlay attribute, when it is turned to true, the contextual menu overlays the existing toolbar. Now guys, we will customize this contextual menu a little bit and make our application look a little more beautiful. To do that, let us define an item in the parent theme of our application. The action mode style, because we need to customize the contextual menu, that is the action mode. So we need to change the action mode style. We will remove the Android and assign it the style as my action mode. Now let us define this style in our styles.xml and customize our contextual menu. Creating a new style whose name is my action mode. We will define its parent as widget.appcompat.actionMode. Now this is our style defined for the action mode. Let us customize our background and the text that are present in the action mode, that is the text and the background of the contextual menu that is being inflated in the toolbar. Let us give it a background color. This contextual background I will be defining in the colors.xml. And here we go. Next is defining the style for the text that is present in the contextual menu. For that, let us define another item, that is title text style. And let us associate this with the style that we are going to create as my text style. Let us create a style my text style and give it a parent as @textappearance.appcompat.widget.actionbar.title. Now inside this my text style, let us define the text attribute that will be displayed in our action bar. Let's define the text color as the contextual text. This contextual text color I'll be defining in colors.xml. And here it is. Now let me explain what exactly happens in this line of code that we have written here. First, we have declared a style as my action mode, which has the parent of widget.appcompat.actionMode. We have changed the background of the contextual menu using the attribute background, and this color we have defined in the colors.xml. Next, to customize the text of the contextual menu, we have used title text style. Now guys, we don't need this Android, so let me remove it. And now we have written the style to customize the text in my text style. We have defined one more style as my text style, which has the parent of textappearance.appcompat.widget.actionbar.title, which is present in style. In this style, we have changed the text color. Now let us run our application and see what happens to our contextual menu. Let us click to the contextual menu button, then the new button, and here it is. The background color of this action mode has changed. This save button is the one which I had defined in the contextual menu.xml. Earlier, since the background was white in color, the icon was not visible. We have also changed the text color in the contextual menu. So this is how we can customize our application. This is the navigation icon which is provided by default in the contextual menu. On clicking this icon, the action mode is destroyed. On clicking the button again, we get the contextual menu inflated, and on clicking the back button, it is destroyed again. We can change this navigation icon as we like it. Now to change this default back icon that is provided with the contextual menu, we need to write a line of code, that is the item name, the action mode close drawable, and define the icon as you like it. Store it in the drawable folder or fetch it using its ID. Now guys, I have added the comment to each of the code that we wrote just now for the ease of your understanding. That's all for this video series. So in this video series, we learned the details about the toolbar. We learned how to implement the toolbar as standalone toolbar, how to implement the toolbar as action bar, and how to inflate the contextual menu, that is use the contextual action bar. We made 3 activities in which we wrote the codes for all the 3 parts of this application. On clicking the standalone toolbar, we get this toolbar with the title and the subtitle. We have customized this toolbar, the overflow menu. We also have the menu icons. On clicking this button of toolbar as action bar, we have implemented the toolbar as action bar. There is no change in the appearance of the toolbar, but the only change here is the change in the Java code and the way of implementing it in the Java codes. Third is the contextual menu. Here we learned with certain action how we can change and customize our toolbar. On performing an action, here it is on clicking a button, the toolbar has inflated another menu with completely different title, a navigation icon, and completely different menu icons. You can customize it according to your suitability. I hope you liked this series on the toolbar. In the next video series, we will be talking about few more features that are being introduced with the Android material designing. We will cover the topics of floating action button, of the snack bar, and we will also learn about the coordinator layout. So stay tuned for our next video series on the basic components of Android material designing. Thanks for watching. Do share and leave your comment below the video. Subscribe to our channel and help us grow. I also have given the link for the source code of the entire module below in the description. You can go there and refer to it. Keep smiling and have a good day.